53 Bel Air. A few modifications here and there. You see the modern headlights. I like the little eyelids, that's kind of cute. It's got a metallic paint. Interesting interior. Oh, that's wild. That's insane. Yeah, it's an automatic power slide, but oh my gosh. Weird treatment on the dash. And floor mats and such. Door looks like it's dropped a hair. She's there. Yeah, it definitely pops. Needs the skirts though. Let's see what kind of condition everything was. Oh, there you got gobs of mud. Jeez. They put the windows down, just sprayed. I mean, a little bit of respect. Come on, folks. And let's check out what they're asking. I think it's 30 something. Let's take a look, see what we've got. 53 Bel Air. They're down to 34 or best offer. Let me see something here. I want to see what they were originally asking. I think 36. Yep. Let's stick that back in. There you go. Okay, close enough. Well, just the antenna alone is worth the price of admission. I don't think so, not for that kind of money. 53 Bel Air drop top though. This would be a sweet little cruiser. But, I wouldn't pay that, would you?